Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my way of pigs in the blanket. Very easy recipe and very delicious to eat. So let's get started. All we need is your bread dough and sausages. That's all that is required to make this lovely snack. You could use this in your New Year's party or any kind of party as finger food. So now I'm going to show you my way of how we make this. Instead of using puff pastry, I am using bread dough so that it's more delicious to eat and it fills your stomach as well. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for free. Also don't forget to like, leave a comment and also click on the bell icon. First, what I'm going to do is, I've made my bread dough already. This is my regular bread dough that I usually use: flour, baking soda, yeast, salt, sugar and water, and make this dough. If you need the recipe how to make the dough, I'm going to put that in the description box. Okay. I've already shown you how to make this dough before in my previous videos. I'm going to put that in the description box. You can view that as well. Okay. But I'm using this regular bread dough to make my pigs in the blanket first. Just going to first take a little oil and rub it on my baking tray. I'm just going to brush a little oil on the baking tray. Okay, alright, so let's start now. Alright, we're using regular sausages. You can use whatever sausages you want, whether it's beef, chicken, pork, turkey, whichever sausage you want, you can use. Okay, I'm going to be using these sausages. They're small in size and perfect for the pigs in the blanket, because they will be, it serves your purpose because these are all finger food and they're small in size as well. Okay, I'm going to start by taking a ping pong size ball dough. Okay, and a little dough on my, okay, and I'm going to this like so. Do this. Then I'm going to take the sausage, put it in the center and roll it. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is cut. Okay. I'm then going to put this in my tray. Okay. Let's do one more, and then I'm going to do the rest of it and then get back to you. Okay. Take enough of bread dough, ping pong size, and then okay, I'm then going to place one sausage, okay, just make sure you press it hard so that it sticks and make these incisions in between, and leave it on my baking tray. So I'm going to continue doing all this and get back to you. Once they're all ready, I'll get back to you. So I finished making a tray of these pigs in the blanket. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this, rest for a while and let the dough again rise. Okay, so let it rest for another half an hour covered. I'll cover it and keep it for the next half an hour and let the dough rise. Okay, and you will see how much it doubles in size. Alright, so see you in a half an hour. As you can see now, they've almost doubled in size. Okay, what I'm now going to do is give it a nice egg wash. Okay, I've taken an egg and I'm going to give it a nice egg wash so that it's nice and golden once it bakes. Alright, go on ahead and put egg. I've given these rolls an egg wash. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add Italian seasoning on top of it. You can use whatever Italian seasoning you want. Mine is a mix of all herbs. Okay, just add that and then bake it in the oven. Now bake this in the oven for 15 minutes at about 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to keep checking the bread. Sometimes it may be done earlier, sometimes it could be later. But once it nicely browns, that means your rolls are ready. Okay? That's 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. My pigs in the blanket is ready. Look how wonderful and brown and golden they are. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and leave a comment and press the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe that I will be posting on my channel for free. I hope you enjoyed this. Do make this at home and try it for your New Year's party as finger food. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, and have a blessed New Year. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Let's go ahead and try one. Look how soft it is. Perfect.